Good morning, children. Now, welcome to our class. Amma, let's start the term 2. In your term 2, first lesson, joys of festivals. What is that lesson, Amma? Joys of festivals. Open your test book, children. Look at your test book. Now, look at the poster. What do you see? Can you name these festivals? Now, here getting some pictures, Amma. Now, tell me, children, which one, which festival? This is Durgashtami. Now, Vinayak Chavati, Rakhi, Diwali, Sri Ramanavami. Like this, these are festivals. Okay? All of you celebrate festivals. Everyone celebrate festival. Now, India is a land of multi-ethnicity where people of different languages and culture live together with peace and harmony. What is that? India is a multiple ethnicity and different languages are there in India and different states, different cultures are there. Now, India is a worldwide known for first its cultural diversity and colorful festivals. What is that? India is in a world cultural diversity and a color of festivals. A festival provides love and joy to its members. Picnics, birthdays, weddings and religious ceremonies are some happy occasions when family members meet and have fun together. Somebody went to picnic వెళ్ళడం బర్త్డే పార్టీస్ సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకోవడం నా వెడ్డింగ్స్ రిలీజియస్ సెరమనీ ఇవన్నీ దీస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ఇండియన్ ఫెస్టివల్ అండ్ ఫ్యామిలీస్ ఆర్ వెరీ జాయ్ఫుల్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఫెస్టివల్స్. నౌ ఇండియా ఈజ్ అ multicultural country. Yes, India is a multicultural country and it is reflected in the festivals of India. Festivals of various social, religious and national festivals celebrate in different parts of India. Now these Indian festivals bring all Indians together of different castes, religious. There is no discrimination while celebration. When there is no discrimination, then it is called as India. In India, no discrimination and different religious ki different festivals are there. ఒక్కొక్క స్టేట్స్ కి ఒక్కొక్క స్టేట్ లో ఒక్కొక్కటి స్పెషల్ గా ఉంది, ఒక్కొక్క ఫెస్టివల్ స్పెషల్ గా ఉంది. నా రిలీజియస్ అండ్ different religious are there and national festivals also are there and different castes are there and religious are there. So India is a no discrimination. This is called as India. No discrimination in India. Now social festivals. Now what is the social festivals? First learn about Holi Amma. Holi is the festival of colors and fun. Yes, all of you like children's is a Holi festival because this is a colorful festival. It comes in spring in the month of March. People play Holi with colors. People play with Holi colors. Now the most popular sweets prepared on Holi are called gajiyas. ఎక్కువ ఫెస్టివల్స్ లో స్వీట్ ఏంటిది? వాట్ ఇస్ దట్? గజియాస్. Now Holi is one of the oldest festival of India. It is the oldest festival in India. Holi is the festival of colors in India. It is celebrated on the first day of Chaitra. Now dry colors are known as Gulal. The beauty of nature makes this festival colorful. The lovely flowers with their dazzling colors and the sweet songs of the cuckoo provide the charming background to Holi. Janmashtami festival is not celebrated on a full moon. What is that? This is a Holi is a joy of colors. It's like children's is very much and it's celebrated in a first day of the Chaitra. Okay. Now next one Diwali. Now Diwali is one of the most colorful, scared and loveliest festivals of the Hindus. It is celebrated every year with great joy and enthusiasm throughout the length and breadth of the country. It marks the happy return to Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years exile. So, రామ అయోధ్య 14 years వనవాసం తర్వాత తిరిగి అయోధ్యకు వచ్చాడు కాబట్టి సో అందుకని సంతోషంగా దిస్ దివాళీ ఇస్ సెలబ్రేటెడ్. నౌ ఇన్ లాస్ట్ మంత్ దిస్ ఇస్ సెలబ్రేటెడ్. ఓకే, నౌ నెక్స్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ a festival of lights and okay, it is a festival of lights and festivities. So it is a festival of lights. It comes of about 20 days after Dasara. It comes where it is comes from it comes of about 20 days of Dasara. Dasara tarvata 20 days ki Diwali is coming. Diwali or Deepavali means a row or collection of lamps. It is a collection of lamps. A few days before Diwali, houses, buildings, shops and temples are thoroughly cleaned, whitewashed and decorated with pictures, toys and flowers. So, before Diwali, ఒక 2-3 days before షాప్స్ హౌసెస్ కానీ ఏమన్నా మన ఇంట్లో మొత్తం క్లీనప్ చేస్తాం. టోటల్ క్లీనప్ చేసి వైట్ వాష్ చేసుకుంటారు, మీన్స్ పెయింటింగ్ చేస్తారు, క్లీన్గా చేసుకుంటారు అండ్ డెకరేట్ చేసుకుంటారు. Beautiful pictures are hung on the walls and everything is tip top on the Diwali day. So దివాళీకి వాల్స్ అనేవి చాలా టిప్ టాప్ గా డెకరేట్ చేస్తారు. Now people put on rich clothes and move about the new holiday mode. People exchange greeting and gifts or sweets on this day. ఎక్కువ ఏం చేసుకుంటారు, పీపుల్స్ ఒకరికొకరు గిఫ్ట్స్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ చేసుకోవడం కానీ స్వీట్స్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ చేసుకోవడం కానీ do that. Okay, this is about Diwali. Now next Pongal. Pongal, a harvest festival, is celebrated in the month of January. Yes, this is this festival. It's a coming festival. Yes, it is coming festival. Next month it's coming. It is a coming festival in the month of January. Makara Sankranti is known as a Pongal. Is South India and as Maghi in North India. Pongal is all out prayers, sweets and kites. Colorful kites fill the sky on the auspicious day of Pongal. People send greeting cards to their friends and relatives. So this is about Pongal amma. Now the remaining festival I will explain in next class. Now thank you children.